What's up, you guys? I'm Dan. This is Frugal Not Cheap, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. I've been here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for a little over a month now, a month and 10 days, and I haven't really gone out to explore or anything like that. Really just been focused mostly on getting settled in, taking care of Max, and I've also had some health issues as well. So I'm really just kind of dealing with that, and we haven't really gone out and done anything fun. So what I thought we'd do today, I haven't seen the Dallas skyline yet, so I'd like to go check it out. So I'm planning to drive down. There were two options. One was Clyde Warren Park, which is kind of right, sort of near the city or in the city. It's kind of a neat park because it's built up on the top of a freeway, kind of in the middle of it. So it sounds pretty cool. But to do that, we're kind of more in the city. There's metered parking. It just sounds like kind of more of a hassle that, I don't know, for some reason I'm just not in the mood for it today. Instead, also, this being frugal, not cheap, we're going to go for the more frugal option. We're going to go down a little further to a place called Trinity Overlook. Should be about a 25-30 minute drive or so, but it's free and hopefully it's going to be cool. It is pet friendly. The website said bring your dogs and picnic tables and stuff, or I mean like stuff to have a picnic. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna shoot down there with Max. It's relatively cool today. He's got his short haircut. He's looking fly. He's shaking right now because he smells my breakfast, which I'm about to have. So he does that when he gets excited. Not to worry, he's feeling just fine. Yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Just a kind of little vlog, let you see a little bit of the area. I think it'll be kind of fun. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, it is a beautiful day out there. Not sure if we can get us a view of that. Yeah, a little bit there. So next I'm going to head out now. Should be fun. Excellent. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I haven't been out to see the city skyline just yet. Really, I haven't seen anything at all. So this should be cool. So yeah, it's a fairly long drive, about 25-30 minutes. So I'll probably want to listen to some music. So I won't be chatting with the camera on the way, but we should still be able to maybe see some scenery. That would be pretty cool. Hopefully the way the camera mounted is going to work. And then for those of you that are interested in Tesla, I will be going with Navigate on autopilot. So the car should be doing a lot of the things like getting into the right lane for exits and passing slow cars and all this kind of thing. Okay, come on, Max. Let's go, buddy. Hey Max, we're here, buddy. All right, let's go explore. Not long. It's pretty warm, so we won't go very far. All right, we made it. All right, really a beautiful little overlook here. Cool little park. But it's pretty warm for Max. He's getting old, and with his heart and everything, I don't think we're gonna hang out too much longer. Good time to get back home and get some lunch. But yeah, it is really nice being back in a major city. Manchester, New Hampshire seems always to me like just a pretty small town, and here we are in a real city. So it'll be fun to explore over the coming months and weeks, just to see what there is to do and have some fun out here. But yeah, now we'll just get back home, and you know, I don't think there's all that much interesting stuff to do on the drive back home. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Hope yeah, you have a good day as well. I'm having a good day so far. Thanks for watching. Do hit like, hit subscribe, helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.